How to fix posting period error in SAP Step-by-Step Guide. Encountering the posting period error in SAP can be frustrating, especially when working with financial transactions in SAP FI, CO, or modules. This error typically occurs when trying to post documents outside the allowed accounting period, leading to workflow disruptions and delayed financial reporting. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explain why the SAP posting period error happens, how to resolve it quickly, and best practices to prevent it in the future. Whether you're an SAP consultant, finance professional, or end user, this tutorial will help you fix the issue efficiently and ensure smooth period-end closing. Let's dive into the solutions. First, we will check the related business scenario. We are transferring the stock from one plant to another plant. This plant is used rarely, only in case of overflow stock. While checking and posting the stock transfer, system throws posting period error and does not allow to proceed further. What is the reason of posting period error in SAP? The posting period error occurs when we try to post a financial document while the open period in the system is outside of the current ongoing period. Let's understand the problem statement more deeply. First, we should know what period is open currently in the system. Since system has thrown the error, we can foresee that the open period in the system does not match with the current period. Now let's see how to know the current open period. To know the current open period in the system, run mmrv. Enter your company code for which system is throwing error, or you just want to check the current open period. Press Enter and system display the current open period, which is 02. From the mmrv transaction output, it is clear that current open period in the system is 02. The current period is March, means 03, hence system is throwing the error. Transaction OMSY also shows the current open period in the system. How to fix posting period error in SAP. Now let's fix this error step by step. To fix the error, we should first know the current open period in the system. This we have already explained, and we have noted down that the current opening period in the system is 02. From the above, we know that the current open period of the system is 02, while current ongoing period is 03. To fix this issue, we need to open the period consequently, meaning to open the period 03 from the period 01. First we need to open the period 02 and then 03. Start MMPV and input company code PP10 and enter next period to open as 02. If all OK, system will give the success message. If we check the current time through mmrv, system will show current open period as 03. Now open the period 03 by repeating the procedure. Now current open in period in the system is aligned with the ongoing period. Let's proceed for the stock transfer now. System will not throw the posting period error now.